Hi, Sir Ma'am. My name is Marilu Dacumos. I am 39 years old, single, but have one son, 2 years old. My educational attainment is college graduate. I work as domestic helper in United Arab Emirates for 9 years, 5 years in my first employer. Have 5 members in the family. One couple, grandmother, and 2 kids. 3 years old and newborn baby. 2 years and my second employer. Have 4 members in the family. One couple and 2 children, aged 13 years old and 8 years old. 2 years and my third employer. Have 5 members in the family. One couple, grandmother, and 2 children, twins, 5 years old. My duties are preparing their food, all around cleaning, including washing and ironing, taking care of their baby when they are not around, and also some cooking. I am loving, honest, hardworking, and happy person. To my future employer, Sir, Ma'am, please choose me and I promise to do my duties and responsibilities with all my heart and treating your family as my own family. Thank you and looking forward to see and work with you as soon as possible.